Hey there, I'm Michelle. I'm the marketing manager here at Innovate Building Solutions. And if you can't already tell from what's behind me, me and my fiance are both unfortunately loyal Browns fans, but I'm not naive. I know this is probably not going to be their year, but that's okay. I'm also an Ohio State alum and a Buckeyes fan, so I at least got one good team I'm rooting for this year. But anyways, wanted to make this video whether you're a current dealer of ours or maybe you're considering the idea of partnering with us. Wanted to make this video to give you a little inside look of what's new and updated in our Ingage presentation and how you can use this tool to sell more effectively in the home. Now, if you're wondering what is Ingage, why is it important? Why do I need to use it? Well, Ingage is a cloud-based platform that helps you create and design professional digital presentations. And we've partnered with them to create this presentation specifically for our dealers. So when you sign on to become a dealer of ours, you do get full access to this presentation. Now, if you are a dealer of ours and maybe you don't have access to this presentation, or maybe if you're unsure of whether you have the latest updated version, that's okay. Feel free to reach out to either me or Mike Foti, our president. I'll have our information right here, or I'll have that also below. So feel free to reach out to us and we'll get that all taken care of for you. Okay, let's dive into the presentation. Okay, so this is the presentation. This is actually the opening slide. Now I'm not going to go through the full deck with you, but if you do have access to it, you can kind of play around and see what's all in there. We're going to start off first with the collections. In here, you're going to see the different collections and styles within patterns and styles within each collection. Now, one thing I always like to note is that we do keep this updated with our current patterns and styles that we offer. So if you're ever, worried about showing this in the home and somebody falling in love with, I don't know, the black hexagon, and then realizing later it's discontinued, that's not going to happen here. We do keep this regularly updated along with our website. So you can go to innovatewallpanels.com and see what our current patterns that we're offering. If you have the dealer sales kit, it's always good to cross-reference that with this to make sure that you have all the updated patterns and styles that we offer. And if you don't, feel free to reach out to us and we'll get that all taken care of for you. The next slide is the bathroom visualizer tool. This is not a new tool that we have in here, but it's always a really important tool I always like to point out. So this is a really nice tool to use when you're in the home. Maybe you're at the point where you're measuring the bathroom and you want to give your customers something to do while you're measuring. They can use this tool, kind of play around with the different patterns and styles that we offer, mix and match the different wall panels with the different bases. You can change out the walls as well, along with the flooring. It really gets the customer excited for their project. So it's always a really good tool to use when you're in the home. The next is the inspiration gallery. Now we do have some pictures that were in here previously, but we did add some more. We did add some new ones like this one in particular. This is actually in our Cleveland showroom. It's the smoky blue stacked subway tile in the light wood along the side here. And if you're ever wondering, what pattern this is or what's being shown, you can always click this info button and it'll pop up and show you. Another thing that isn't new, but we've added some more pictures is the before and after section. If you remember from previous, there was only, oh gosh, probably about 8 different before and after pictures, but we've added quite a bit more. We really like to showcase the before and afters to see the real life transformations of these projects. It's always a hit with the customers, so always love that. And I mean, who doesn't love playing with this little slider? And you can also click the info button and see what's being shown here. I do like this one as well. This is a light wood. This is a nice before and after photo. Now, if you're already a dealer of ours and have access to this presentation but aren't really sure how to use it effectively, no worries. feel free to reach out to me. As the marketing manager, I want to help you get the most out of these tools to help you sell better in the home and be more successful. Whether that's the sales presentation or getting marketing, digital marketing assets and imagery to use on your website or social media, I got you covered. So feel free to reach out to me. Now, if you're not a dealer, but maybe you're exploring the idea of becoming a dealer and want to learn more, feel free to reach out to us. Our number is 1-888-467-7488. I'll also put it right here on the screen, and then it'll also be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe for more educational content about our products, sales tools, and other ways to help grow your business. Thanks so much.